The Cash Flow Performance Analytics app is designed to help customers understand their Dynamics Business Central operational cash flow using powerful visuals and dashboards. The app allows end users to analyze data by period and account filters. The Executive Summary page allows cross-filtering of dimension data that is automatically loaded and refreshed into the Power BI service. The Resource Analysis page allows further filtering by dimensions and matrix drill down to account, external agent, and event IDs to fully understand the business reasons. The cash flow statement provides compliance reporting. The trial balance report provides operational account details to further reconcile activity. The scenario analysis page is a tool to understand how future business scenarios can impact the operational cash flow forecast. It can help you understand how business decisions can impact the liquidity of the business. Try the Cash Flow Performance Analytics for Dynamics Business Central for free for 30 days. We promise you will never look back the same way again.